Hi, Sarah Joseph here. I just wanted to share with you something that we've been trying out in order to book classes from classes. We have created a Hostess gift bag. I'll show you my little bag here. Hostess gift bag. And one of the things that we put in the Hostess gift bag is this recipes for host. So the hosts get a copy of the recipes for On Guard apples. They get lime coconut popcorn, peppermint brownies, and a wild orange yogurt dip. And then in their bag, they also get little drams. Can you see those there? The little drams of the lime, the peppermint, and the On Guard. And then they also get a 5 ml of wild orange for booking a party. So what we do is, I'll finish the bag first. So they also get some of the invitations, and I usually take about 6 to 10 invitations from the class in the box and just put those into the bag. And then they also get, I'll show you the other letter that goes in the bag. This letter for hostesses, and I can share these files with you if you'd like. So basically, we're just telling the hostess how they can be a great hostess for their doTERRA class. So helping them figure out how to send out invitations. So invitations 2 weeks ahead of the workshop, make them personal invites, no group messages. People are more likely to attend when they receive the personalized invite from the hostess. So calling or texting and saying something like, hey, I'm doing a fun essential oils class, you want to come? Or, hey, I'm having some ladies over to drink wine and smell oils, want to come? We can set up a Facebook event for them if they want to have a pre-party to get everybody excited, but it's only used for RSVPs that have said yes. So the ideal guest number is between 7 and 10 guests is what we ask them for. And we suggest that they create the healthy niblets with their recipes and the oils that we've provided them with. And then we ask them that they'll introduce the facilitator. So in the bag, we also include a share guide so that they can find out more information about sharing essential oils and maybe even earning their oils for free. And we give them a living magazine. So this is a easy, inexpensive little gift bag to put together for anybody who books a class from a class, and we just use the class in the box stuff that we get to fill the bag. So the way that we present it is we set the bags all out at before we start a class. So when people come and sit down for the class, they all see these bags sitting there. And we try to have a bag for every single participant who's in the class that day. So they are connecting themselves with that bag and going, yeah, there's 6 of us and there's 6 bags. I'm going home with one of those bags tonight. And then near the closing of the class, we talk about how we're always teaching classes. And if anybody is interested in hosting a class, and we talk about how we can do different themed classes depending on what they want, and how it's really easy and fun, and all they have to do is invite some friends over to their house. And if they book a class with us tonight, then they get to go home with one of these great hostess bags. So I hope you'll try it too, and let me know how it's working. If you would like a copy of our documents, the hostess recipes and the hostess thank you or tips letter, then just let me know, drop me your email, and I'll give you access to our Google Drive that has the papers in it. All right, thanks for listening. Have a great day.